Hi everyone, let's briefly go over the changes in the new version 4.5.3.2 of MainWP. We've fixed an issue where the SEOPress for MainWP extension was incorrectly marked as not installed in the Install Extensions modal. We've fixed the sorting mechanism in the error log table to ensure accurate row ordering. We've added an All option to the error log table length menu for comprehensive viewing. We've added a feature to preserve the error log table's user-configured settings for a consistent user experience. We've added a client selection option in the Add New dropdown of the header element, enhancing user navigation. We've added a ribbon label indicator on the extension card to signal when an extension's license is not activated, providing clearer license status visibility. We've tweaked the extension card element by removing the redundant license key input field, simplifying the user interface. We've tweaked the unnecessary Activate License button in the extension card element to reduce interface clutter. We've tweaked the License Management button icon in the extension card elements button group for a more intuitive user experience. We've improved request validation in AJAX requests. We've enhanced security in the sync logic by ensuring proper sanitization of certain parameters. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more updates from MainWP.